Here's how you can easily create a sticker on Snapchat. So first up, open up Snapchat. Once you do that, take a snap of the object you'd like to turn into a sticker. In this case, it's my phone cover. Once you do that, click on this scissors tool right over here. And then just draw over the object you'd like to turn into a sticker. Click on the done option once you're done. And as you can see, here's the sticker we've created. Now just exit this place right over here. Then click on discard. Then if I go over and want to send someone that particular sticker, let me select this person right over here. Then if I go over to my stickers and then go over to my saved stickers, you can easily see that here's the sticker I created. So that's how you can easily create a sticker on Snapchat. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.